Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on number sentences. A number sentence in mathematics contains an equal sign. The number sentence will contain an unknown quantity which is represented by a symbol such as a circle, a square, a triangle or a star, and there are many other symbols we can use. If the number sentence is presented correctly, it will enable you to find the value of the unknown quantity. Find the value of the unknown quantity in each of the following number sentences. Example 1, if the circle plus 3 equals 5, we have to find a number when added to 3 gives an answer of 5. We can see that the number is 3 less than 5, so the circle is 5 minus 3, so the circle equals 2. Example 2, the square minus 4 equals 9. We have to find a number when 4 is subtracted from it gives an answer of 9. We can see that the number is 4 more than 9, so the square is 9 plus 4, so the square is 13. Example 3, 3 times the triangle equals 12. We have to find a number when it is multiplied by 3 gives an answer of 12. We can see that the answer can be found as follows. The triangle equals 12 divided by 3, so the triangle is 4. If the triangle is 4, 3 fours are 12. Example 4, the star divided by 4 equals 5. We have to find a number when it is divided by 4 gives an answer of 5. We can see that the answer can be found as follows. The star equals 5 times 4, so the star equals 20. 20 divided by 4 equals 5. Example 5, 20 minus the square equals 13. One acceptable way to do this is by trial and error. That's one of the strategies. If we pretend the square is 3, 20 minus 3 is 17. No, because we need an answer of 13. If we pretend the square is 6, 20 minus 6 is 14. No, we need an answer of 13. We got really close, so let's let the square equal 7. So 20 minus 7 equals 13, and that's the answer. So the square equals 7. So we've just seen what constitutes a number sentence, and we've seen how to solve a few basic examples.